Nita. Breeder ducks produce high-quality duck eggs for incubation.
Duck eggs are collected with care to protect embryos. Automated systems transport duck eggs safely. Only fertile duck eggs continue the process.
Clean duck eggs reduce contamination risks. Disinfection protects developing duck embryos. Duck eggs are prepared for controlled incubation. Incubation creates ideal conditions for duck development.
Egg turning prevents embryo sticking.
Precise climate control is vital for duck eggs.
Technology tracks pekin duck embryo health.
Duck eggs enter the final incubation stage.
Ducklings prepare to hatch.
Ducklings begin life inside the factory. Early care is critical for duck survival. Only healthy ducklings move forward.
Vaccination protects ducks from disease.
Precise counting supports farm planning. Ducklings enter the growth phase.
Controlled warmth helps duck growth. Balanced nutrition supports healthy ducks.
Hydration is essential for duck development.
Data ensures ducks grow evenly.
Airflow keeps ducks healthy.
Clean floors reduce disease.
Lighting controls duck behavior.
Precise feed improves duck quality. Consistent feeding supports uniform growth.
Waste control protects the environment.
Strict biosecurity protects Pekin ducks.
Ducks approach maturity. Quality checks continue until the end.
Ducks are prepared for transport.
Careful loading reduces stress.
Logistics connect farm to market.
Cleaning prepares the next duck cycle. Data drives modern duck farming.
Sustainability supports long-term duck farming.
Human skill powers duck technology.
Duck care continues around the clock.
Standards ensure duck safety.
Training improves duck management. Duck production continues to grow.
Incubation transforms duck eggs into life.
Waste becomes reusable resources. Teamwork ensures non-stop duck care.
Final checks confirm duck quality. Space supports natural duck behavior. Healthy ducks reflect careful systems.
Technology defines modern duck farming.
Every step is carefully controlled.
Ducks move into the supply chain.
Duck farming feeds millions.
Another duck farming day ends.
This channel is not just mine, it belongs to you. Every like, every comment, every second you spend here means more than you.
This journey was not easy, but you stayed, you believed, and you supported me. We are...
I promise to keep giving you my best content, my honesty, and my hard work. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you always.